Welcome back everybody, Automotive Inc. Today we're working on the 2016 Ram, so this will carry over from 16 to basically 17 and probably many after that. They didn't change a whole lot. All our bulbs are good in here, but we want to bring some extra light down here to our actual reverse light. These are just standard incandescent bulbs. We want to swap them out with LEDs. Now, I will forewarn you that if you decide to swap these inside tail lamps, they are dual purpose. You may end up with hyper flash. That is when the light's just flashing really fast. And in certain trucks, it may throw a code for turn signal being out. So I'm just going to walk you through how to do this. And the bulb I'm going to use to swap out the lower reverse light. I have a video later for the cargo light and for the license plate lights and for the headlights. So if you want to see each individually one of those. But this one, I'll tell you what bulbs you need. So if you're on the side of the road and you need to get this done, you certainly can. Before we get started, make sure you smash the subscribe button for me. Helps a channel out. Thumbs up and notification bell. Tons of how-to stuff over on the channel. First things first, put the tailgate down. All right, inside here you have two attachment points. These are Torx 25. You do not need the security tip one. That's that dimple there. So we're going to take both of those out. Once you take those out, it's pretty much going to want to pop out. You have a guide tab up front area here, this plastic tab. We see one of them fell out when we did that, so just be ready for that. Now don't let the light hang on these wires necessarily, but you shouldn't need to necessarily even disconnect these from the actual bulb housing. Just turn these counterclockwise. So your upper bulb is going to be a 3157. Again, it's a counterclockwise turn to pop that loose. This bulb is good, so we're just going to put it back in because I came in here for my reverse light itself. Now your lower one is a 921. We're going to swap that with a new LED, and I will link the LEDs that I like to use. They're cheap, they're inexpensive, they're on the Zon. So let's go get our 912 bulb. And I misspoke, sorry, 921. So this is my LED kit because I'm always swapping LEDs out. These are the ones I've had good luck with. And you can put a 921 in there if you want. I found in my experience the 912 and 921 LED will work. So again, these are cheap on the Zon. So let's put this in. You shouldn't have to worry about polarity or anything like that. So you just pull this bulb straight up and take it out. If you want to test it before you put it all back together, you can. Make sure it's seated firmly in there. You're golden there. We're going to snap that back in. If you're going to do this with the truck off by yourself, make sure you set the emergency brake. And then just put it in reverse real quick, go back and check it. And you can also block it if you want, but your emergency brake should be holding. But just stay there for a little bit and make sure that it does. We're going to take an opportunity to clean up our surrounding area here. We're going to get this plugged back in. Now when you do line it back up, make sure you get your two little tabs lined back up in there. My one clip was actually broken, so I replaced it with this guy. Oops, slippery little guy. So I can link a kit of these. Got them on the Zon, super cheap, very good for most of your body fastening. Now the light's going to want to pop back out, so you're going to want to at least start one of your screws while you're holding it. And then from there, it's going to hold itself in. We can see we got really good light here. Let's go over here. Compared to that one, that's going to give you way more illumination and just a nice sharp look when you use your unlock feature to light up the ground around the truck. As always, guys, that was super easy to do. I'll link all the stuff down below. Check it out. As always, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.